Hi there, today I want to show you how to make the perfect Belgian waffle. It's going to all start off with this waffle maker right here. I'm going to go over some of the features of this. All right, so I'm just going to plug this into the wall. You can see the power button there comes on. I have another light right here that's not lit up yet, which is ready. It's not going to come on yet because I haven't poured the batter in. I have an adjustable knob here. Adjust your temperature. I like the handle here. Has a fold away handle. Underneath here has a nice little drip tray, easy to remove for washing. Opens right up. This obviously is going to make round waffles. I like it. It has the grooves cut in so that you can break it into 4 pieces if you desire. Can easily close. Nice easy turn. Has another green light for ready so you can tell when it is all done. Now, let's give you a full demonstration. All right, open up. Wow, you can see the steam coming out. This thing is nice, hot, and ready to go. I'm going to take some cooking spray. Little spray on both bottom and top. I'm going to go ahead and evenly pour the batter. I'm going to close this up. Flip that over. There we go. Now all I'm going to do is rotate it back, lift up, and we have the perfect Belgian waffle. So if you love waffles in the morning and in the evening, whenever you like them, this is a great waffle maker.